What's up, Griffin family ballin'?
A man can become successful without a wife and family, but all the real joy is taken out of it. Take care of your wife and children as your greatest possession.
I gotta elevate. What's up, Griff Gang? I'm gonna do a house tour because we didn't get a chance to do that when we got here. Turn on some of these lights so you guys can see what's going on here at the Airbnb that we got. Okay, let me see how to work this camera too. I don't know where the lights and stuff are. All right, here, let me take care of some of this so y'all can see. All right, so this is the front door coming in. So as soon as you come in, it's a pool table, front window, vaulted ceilings, and the walkway for the upstairs. So we got that fabulous Vegas sign. We had planned on riding past and taking a picture by that famous sign, but we didn't make it there. But there's so much you can do, you know, in a few days or whatnot, and then we're pretty busy. Got the dartboard, got MJ, Michael Jackson. Let's go this way. We go through the butler's pantry. Got a foosball table also, a little table here. Our manager holding on his Zoom calls at. Nice little butler's pantry right here. It's the kitchen. The kitchen's open concept. It's Motor City J stuff right here. The man got down here and got sick. Get that Sudafed in him. Let's see. It's a little living room area also. I believe it's two living rooms. It's this one and that one there where the, this one over there where the pool table is, but this is the lounge and living room area. Then we go outside. Of course, we got the pool with the waterfall. Can't really see it. Nice little grill and little awning, so you know, gotta get rained on while we out here. And that goes to the front, right here. Yeah, barbecue grill, all set and ready to do some things with. It's not a bad house at all. And of course, it's too cold to swim, and we wasn't around long enough to even do the grill, spark it up or whatnot. And then there's so many rules. I don't know why they got two refrigerators here, but since they did, end up having to buy some ice because this ice maker don't work, so I bought some ice. And oh damn, ice! You still got your iced teas in here. Then there's another refrigerator over here that goes with the house. I don't know what's the difference of the two because neither one of them make ice. But that's what it is. Okay. It's a room me and Isis stayed in. We stayed on the main floor. There's a bathroom we use. Nice shower and stuff. Oh, damn, I didn't pack that either. I gotta get that. Laundry room. Extra towels and stuff if we needed it. We got the garage. We didn't park the vehicle in here. We did it last night though, because somebody had a party that we got accused of having. Them speakers. I didn't even see them speakers right there. Fisher Boys. Yeah, we got accused of having a party by the Airbnb host. And we wasn't even the ones that did it. But we ended up putting our trucks and stuff inside the garage there. And the ice is laying down. And this is the room we ended up staying in. I'm not sure what this picture is of. I think it's the Grand Canyon, but it might not be. But they have a lot of nice artwork around. Walk in, closet. We all packed and ready to go. Just giving y'all just a little tour. Now, tour rooms, there's people already in them. So, we're not going to disturb them. But I can show you the other two rooms. Because there's 4 of them up here. See? This room here is where our manager is. And you got these 2 rooms here. We didn't even have them to make these rooms up because, I don't know what's going on. Okay. We didn't have them make these rooms up because we didn't need no bunk beds. So, we didn't have them make the room up at all. For this room and also this other room here. There was no need, like I said, because nobody brought their kids with them. So these rooms both have look like queen size bottoms and tops. We didn't need them, so we didn't have them make it up. They just, when we got here, if you see the other videos, they wasn't even ready for the room yet when we got here. So we just had to, back there's another room. Like I said, it's another YouTuber staying back that way. That's his bathroom. Then in my manager's room, they had their own bathroom, but that extends all the way around the house a little bit. Actually, got even an extra room back there. That's pretty much the tour. Like I said, they got some nice artwork and stuff all around. And the house was efficient enough. Damn, did I leave that light on? Damn. Let me turn this light back off. Well, I realize that when I get all the way to the bottom of the floor. Okay. There we go. All right. But all right, Griff Gang, y'all see where we stayed at when we was in Vegas here. I should have did it when we first got here. That way I could have showed you the other rooms too. Because, you know, it was a free-for-all. Everybody was picking which room they wanted to be in. And that's what ended up happening as far as how the rooms got decided and whatnot. But my old ass wanted to stay on the first floor because I didn't want to keep climbing them stairs. You see, I just had to go back up there just to turn that light off. And Lord knows, I didn't know how the day was going to go, and so much walking at SEMA that I just really wasn't into having to do that every day. Climbing stairs after being at SEMA. So that's why I picked the one downstairs. Then Motor City J was cool enough, you know, he let me pick which one I wanted out of the upstairs or downstairs. And I think I picked right because, like I said, who the hell want to keep going up and down them stairs? He's a lot younger than I am. So it is what it is. But shout out to Motor City J. Y'all go check him out. That's what his YouTube channel is, Motor City J. So y'all check him out. He does a lot of videos with Josh Laurent. Josh had called, and I think they got some stuff in store for y'all. So if y'all go over there and check him out, y'all be all right. But we got a video that we're gonna be dropping with all of us when we went to breakfast Motor City J, Real to Real, me, Isis, our manager, and Too Cool Chris. Shouts out to Too Cool Chris. Y'all go check him out on IG. You know, he's got some kind of models and stuff posing next to vehicles and stuff. His vehicle and other vehicles and shit, stuff like that. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just tired. About to go ahead and get it together so we can drop this truck off at the rental spot, get on this plane and head back to Dallas. So I'm trying this new camera out and hopefully this works out. We'll see though. But y'all, stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more in store. Peace.
You gon' see car content and family vibes. You better subscribe. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in. Subscribe to the channel.